Hi, everybody. Kerry McClay here with the National Snow School Program and Winter Wildlands Alliance. And my guest here on this call is Matthew Sturm from University of Alaska Fairbanks. And he's here to talk about these amazing snow science kits that he's putting together in conjunction with the NASA SnowEd project happening this winter in Alaska, and a whole bunch of other cool snow science and snow education efforts. Matthew, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me. I'm happy to be here. The kits have about 10 hours of content in them, and I think 5 or 6 basic activities. We're going to cover one today, which is actually trying to cut out snowflakes that look like what nature produces. And I'm not going to tell you up front what makes one look like nature and what doesn't, but I'm going to show you, because we've done this literally hundreds and hundreds of times with people. It's amazing how easy it is to get it wrong and how fun it is when you get it right. Okay, well, so the problem really, first off, cutting out snowflakes has a long history. The problem is how you get there. You want to cut out a snowflake, and you learn in kindergarten and first grade, and you usually get it right because the teacher shows you in first grade, second grade, and third grade. And by 5th grade and 6th grade and by high school, you do it wrong. So you got a piece of paper, and the secret, right, is this piece of paper is square, which means there's corners with 90 degrees. So the first thing to do is get away from square. So you find something that'll you draw a circle. I'm not sure you can see this, but I'll put it down here. And I'm going to just put this plate on there. I want to draw a nice circle around it, like this. And, okay. All I wanted was a circle. And now I got a circle because the symmetry we need is different than you get with 90 degrees square. So I would cut that out. I don't need to do that because I did cut some out already. Got a nice circle. Now, let's show you what people do wrong first. There's a circle, and the first thing you do is we're going to fold it in half. This thing, we're headed for radial symmetry, but we've just done a fold. That's a 180-degree fold. And now here's the step where people go awry. Then they do one more fold, right? So I just fold it in half again. And what did I do wrong there, right? Well, remember my square paper and this. Uh-oh, there's two 90 degrees, right? And so if I go and I cut something out now, I have 4 arms. 4 is not right. Let's try one more thing. We're still going to be wrong. We'll try one more thing. We're going to fold it in half, fold it again. All right, we went from 180 to 90 to 45. We're just folding half and half and half. Let's try it now. I think we'll be right. Oh, I don't know. Let's find out. And if you guys look at Terry's hat while I'm cutting this, you'll get a clue. Tip your hat close there. Yeah, let's see whether I got what he got. Count the number of arms on his thing there.
I was going to ask you about my hat, if my hat passed the test.
So, Kerry, how many do I have now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Anybody see 8 on his hat? No. Okay. The problem was we have radial symmetry and we need 6. And to do that, I'm going to start one more time. I did something to cheat a little bit, right? 6. There's 360 degrees in a circle. Divided by 6 is 6. Those are 60-degree segments. But you don't actually need those. I'll show you how you do it without that. Get one here. You start by folding in half. Same thing. Now, this is the hardest step, and we've seen people. You need to match. You want to match the 2 pieces so they look the same. So this, this and this are the same. They should look the same pie segments. if you're divvying up pie to your brothers and sisters, right? Everybody wants exactly the same piece. So you're careful that this pie segment and this look the same. And you do that, crease it, fold this one in. And now I have six-fold symmetry because I first did halves, then I did thirds. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's see whether I get a snowflake. Yeah.
Big reveal. Ooh.
So that's the secret.
Nice.
I'll just end with this little story. On a most recent outing, I'll do it again while we're watching. We had one of the students was particularly good, and so he did this, right? And did this. Okay. So we've done our thirds. Then he folded one more time. We were in sixths and 2 is 12ths. And then he cut out swords. And I doubt I'm going to be able to do this, but I'll try. You had to think in a couple of dimensions, but I was very impressed. See whether I can really cut out swords. Anyway,
You got the right scissors for that activity.
Yeah, good scissors are good. I think I'm not going to make it on this demo. It's going to be a very fat sword. And I still have my 6-fold symmetry, and I've got cut out to look like swords. He also did narwhals, so it's pretty cool. Anyway.
That is advanced snowflake.
Yeah, snowflakes, six sides. They can twin and have 12. They can even have 18, which would be very unusual, but they cannot have 4, 8, 16. Okay. Yeah. So 6 points.
The 6-pointed, scientifically accurate snowflake. Appreciate the demo. I'm going to direct a lot of people to this video. I've definitely seen my share of 4-sided, 8-sided, inaccurate snowflakes floating around out there in the art world. So I appreciate the activity that allows everybody to create a scientifically accurate snow crystal. And that's just one of the activities that you can find in the kit. Super cool. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Yeah.